Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get Hogwarts Legacy for free on Epic Games. Go to the Epic Games website and download the Epic Games Launcher. Install it on your PC. Open Epic Games Launcher and log in to your account. If you don't have one, click Sign Up and create a free account. Go to the Epic Games Store. Scroll down. Hogwarts Legacy is available for free. Click on it and press Get. The game will now appear in your library. Click Install, wait for the download to finish, and enjoy playing Hogwarts Legacy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tips.